Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today I am going to start your new exercise, exercise 11.1. That's belong to chapter 11, perimeter and area. So, student, before starting the exercise question, I want to tell you again about the perimeter and area. I have already told you in my previous video, in my introduction video, what is perimeter and what is area. But here I am going to revise again. Perimeter, student, the sum of the length of all sides of a closed figure is called its perimeter, and area, amount of surface enclosed by that closed figure, is called its area. Suppose that this is the rectangle. This is rectangle. This is my rectangle. And boundary, length of the boundary is called its perimeter. Sum of the length of the boundary is called its perimeter. It is perimeter. But by this closed figure, amount of surface enclosed is called its area. It is area. You know, I have told you, I have discussed in my previous video. So, student, I am not wasting more time on perimeter and area concept because you have known already. So, come to the directly on your exercise. So, first question of exercise 11.1, student. Firstly, I am writing the question here. Question number first, that is the length and breadth, the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find. What we need to find? First, its area, and second, the cost of the land, if 1 meter square of the land costs rupees perhaps, student, this is 10,000. You can check, you will check in your book, this is 10,000 or 1,000. In my book, this is misprint, student. Perhaps I am taking 10,000. Maybe in your book 1,000 is given, so you will write 1,000. Otherwise, don't matter. 10,000. So, student, this is the question. This question is very easy. Firstly, try to understand the meaning of the question. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land. Suppose that this is my rectangular piece of land. Length and breadth. First is written length and second is written breadth. इसी के according to this, length and breadth in numbers are written 500 and 300. So firstly length, so 500 is the length, 500 meter, and 300 meter is the breadth of the rectangular piece of land. Yes student, if my land is in the shape of rectangular, so you know the property of the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. If this side is 500 meter, then this side will be 500. This side is 300 meter, so this side will be 300 meter. This is the property of the rectangle. So student, question is asking me find area of this rectangular piece of the land. इस रेक्टेंगुलर पीस ऑफ लैंड का हमें एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. एंड सेकंड इज सेइंग कास्ट ऑफ लैंड. व्हाट विल बी द कॉस्ट ऑफ द लैंड? कास्ट क्या होगा इस लैंड का? इफ रेट इज गिवन 1 मीटर स्क्वायर, कास्ट ऑफ लैंड इज 10,000 rupees. So what will be the cost of this total land? So student, this is very easy. So firstly we find the area. So student, this is word problem type question. So for solving the word problem type question, I have told you many times that which information is given in the question, firstly we note it down. After this we start your calculation. So I am going to solve this question student. Length of the rectangular piece of land is equal to 500 meter. It is given, and breadth of the rectangular piece of land is equal to 300 meter. So here, and rate also given. Rate and cost 1 meter square cost of the land is equal to rupees 10,000. If in your book 1,000 is given, so you will write 1,000 student, because in my book this amount is misprint. So this is the rate, means 1 meter square. If you are purchasing the land, then you have to pay 10,000 rupees. So student, firstly we find out the area. Part 1, the area of the rectangular piece of land. My land is in the shape of rectangle. So which formula we use for finding the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth student, you know, length L into B. So L is given 500 meter into breadth is given 300 meter. So the area is 1,50,000 meter square. You know, area always written in square unit. So this is meter square, because 500 into 300 is equal to 1,50,000. So meter into meter, that is meter square. So student, this is my first answer. I have find out the area of the rectangular piece of the land. Next question is asking me the cost of the land. What will be the cost of land if 1 meter square cost of the land is 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. So second answer I am going to find out. Please, student, now you have known that the amount of the surface of the land is 1,50,000 मीटर स्क्वायर. 1,50,000 मीटर स्क्वायर. ये जो अमाउंट है सरफेस का दैट इज 1,50,000 मीटर स्क्वायर और इसी को आप परचेज कर रहे हैं. सो 1 मीटर स्क्वायर, सपोज दैट दिस इज 1 मीटर स्क्वायर स्पेस एंड 1 मीटर स्क्वायर if you are purchasing, then you have to pay 10,000 rupees and total space, total area is 1,50,000. So what will be the cost? The cost of the rectangular piece of land the cost of the rectangular piece of land is equal to 1,50,000 into 10,000 is equal to 40 और आप बढ़ा देंगे this amount we have to pay. This amount is the cost of the rectangular piece of the land. So student, this is my second answer. I hope student you have understood this question very well. This is very easy. In first part you need to find out the area. For finding the area we use the formula length into breadth. You will multiply and get the answer. And in second case we need to find the cost of the land. Rate is given 1 meter square is equal to 10,000. So we have to multiply by 1,000 in 1,50,000. So we get the total cost of the land. So student, come to the second question. That is the question number second. Firstly I am writing the question on the board. This question also is very easy. Question number second, student is asking you find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. This is the question, student, and very important question. Student, find the area. We need to find out the area of the square park. Suppose that this is square park. This is my square park. ये स्क्वायर पार्क आपका है. You need to find out the area, means amount of this surface. We need to find out. So student, area, perimeter is given. I am going to solve this question. Firstly, perimeter, which information is given in the question? Firstly note it down. Perimeter of square park is equal to 320 meter, and question is asking me area. Area is equal to question mark. Perimeter is given in the question and area we need to find out. So student, how can we find out the area of the square park? Means area of square. Area of square, you know, side into side, side into side. But student, side is not given in the question. Side is not given in the question. How can we find out the area? It's a problem. No student. For finding the area, perimeter is given. You are seeing here. Perimeter देने का क्या मतलब है? Why? Question is giving you perimeter. For finding the side of the square park, perimeter is given in the question. And when you are able to find out the side of the square park, then you can find out the easily area of the square park. So, student, by the help of perimeter, we can find out the side of the square park. So, perimeter of square park is equal to 4 into side. You know, 4 into side. And put the value of the perimeter in this formula. Perimeter 320. So, on the place of this statement, we can write the 320 is equal to 4 into side. This is equation. We need to find out the side, value of side. Length of the side, we need to find out. So, student, we have to transpose the 4 to the left side. So, here in right side, by 4 we are multiplying. So, when we transpose 4 to the left side, we have to divide. So, side is equal to 320 upon 4. When you divide 320 by 4, we get, student, 4 area 32, that is 80. 80, what 80? 80 meter. 80 meter is the side of the square park. Means this side is 80 meter. So, property of the square, all sides are equal. So, this is 80, this is 80 and this is 80 also. So, now student, you have find out the side of the square park. And when you are able to find out the side, then you can find out the area easily. So, area, therefore, the area of square park is equal to side into side, side into side. Side is given, side you have find out 80 meter into 80 meter, that is 6400 meter square. This is area. And question asking me, find the area, and I have find out the area here. 6400 meter square is the area of the square park. Means this amount of the surface is 6400 meter square. So, student, I hope you have understood this question very well. So, come to the next question, student. Means question number 3rd. Firstly, I am writing the question. Firstly, I am writing the question, student. Question number 3 is saying find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meter square and the length is 22 meter square, sorry, 22 meter. Student, also find its perimeter. Also find its perimeter. So student, this question is very easy. What is given in the question? Area of the rectangular plot. Area is given. Area of rectangular plot of land is equal to 440 meter square. Suppose that this is my rectangular plot of land and this amount is given 440 meter square. Area is given, that is area 440 meter square, and length one measure also given, length 22 meter. If this is 22, then this is also 22, this side also 22 meter, and breadth is absent here, breadth is not given. So student, length of rectangular plot of land is equal to 22 meter. 22 meter is given. Question is asking me also find its perimeter. Find the breadth. Two answers is asking me question. First, breadth. What will be the breadth of the rectangular plot of the land? And second is perimeter. Perimeter of the rectangular plot of the land. So, student, first think in your mind. For finding the perimeter, I am doing rough here. Perimeter. For finding the perimeter, we use the formula 2 into length plus breadth. Length plus breadth means perimeter find out करने के लिए, इस प्लॉट का perimeter find out करने के लिए we need to length and breadth. Length is given but breadth is absent. So firstly, for finding the perimeter, firstly we need to the length of the rectangular plot of the land. So how can we find the length? How can we find the length? Breadth is given. Breadth is given. So we can find out the, sorry student, length is given. Length is given. And we need to find out the breadth. Breadth, अगर हमें लेंथ और ब्रेथ दोनों पता हो जाए तो मैं पेरीमीटर फाइंड आउट कर सकता हूं. बट लेंथ इज गिवन एंड ब्रेथ इज absent here. So firstly we have to find out the breadth, and in question breadth is asking me also. So breadth हम कैसे पाएंगे स्टूडेंट, जरा देखिए यहां से मैं डेरिवेशन कर रहा हूं. पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू एल, 2l प्लस 2b, 2b, and this terms we are transposing to the left side, means in the right side 2b only left, so 2b is equal to p minus 2l, p minus 2l, because 2l we are adding here in the right side, so when we transpose to the left side we have to subtract, so b is equal to p minus 2l upon 2. In this way we have to find out the पेरीमीटर, इस तरीके से हम पेरीमीटर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, सॉरी स्टूडेंट, ब्रेथ हम इस तरीके से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट, ब्रेथ इज इक्वल टू breadth of the rectangular sorry student, area is given, so we not need to find out like this breadth, we not need to find out. By this process we can use the direct formula, breadth of the rectangular plot of land is equal to area upon length. This is the formula for finding the rectangular plot of the breadth of the rectangular plot of land. So area is given, student, area is given 440 upon length is given 22 2 is 44, that is 20 meter. Directly we can find out the breadth of the rectangular plot of the land. So this formula always you will use this formula for finding the breadth of the rectangle. But if area is given, condition area is given, because you know कैसे इस फार्मूले को मैंने राइट किया, जरा आप देखिए, एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल इज इक्वल टू लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ, सो वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द ब्रेड्थ. स्टूडेंट, ब्रेड्थ, दिस इज द इक्वेशन, वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द ब्रेड्थ, सो वी हैव टू ट्रांसपोज L टू द लेफ्ट साइड, and when we transpose L to the left side, in the right side by L we are multiplying, so when we transpose to the left side we have to divide, so breadth is equal to area upon length, and this formula I have written here. You are seeing area upon length. So in this way we can find out the breadth of the rectangular plot of the land. Now very easy. Second question is asking me perimeter. Student, you will not use this process. So perimeter of the, now perimeter of land, rectangular land is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Length is given in the question and breadth you have find out 20 meter, so you can find out easily perimeter. 2 into length is 22 meter, 22 plus breadth is 20, 2 into 22 plus 20, that is 42, and when you multiply by 2 you get 84 meter. This is my second answer. This is my first answer. 20 meter is the breadth and perimeter is 84 meter. So student, this question is very easy. I hope you have understood very well. So come to the, so student, in my next video I will start from question number 4. फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 से हम अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर से स्टार्ट करेंगे 11.1. सो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू वेरी मच.